phone's burnt. Make it quick.
I'm like your one friend, Aiden. You should be nicer to me.
Great. I'm hanging up now.
It's a job, jackass. Fix your gig. I can't take it. Travel restrictions.
I told you I'm not doing that hired gun work anymore.
Oh, come on. It's corporate espionage. Scumbags screwing scumbags. No bystanders. Huge payday.
Mm-hmm. What's the catch?
It's in London, which is not the easiest place to get to these days.
London. It's where Jackson lives.
Yeah? Why do you think I called you, asshole?
Okay, I gotta go.
To help you blend in, everyone here must wear one now. Your car fell through. The London bombings, they changed everything. Many things are hard to get now.
Car won't be a problem.
Oui, good, but it is also your flat. You have somewhere else you can go, family?
It's complicated.
It is okay. Still family, no? You will see.
Yeah. I will see.
Thank you for accepting Fixer Contract 11384242. Investigate merger between Brokatech Corporation and Rampart Automated Defense Systems SA. Hereafter, Rampart SA. Context: Rampart SA is a French private security firm specializing in robotic forces. Last April, they made overtures to acquire London's Brokatech, which specializes in advanced AI systems. But negotiations have stalled. Thomas Rampart, CEO of Rampart SA, sabotaged the deal after Brokatech spun off its Deep Labs division into a new corporate entity. But even without the Deep Labs, shareholders of both companies stand to make millions. So why is Thomas Rampart doing this? Objective: Rampart's delay is illegal under French law. Infiltrate the Deep Labs and discover what Thomas Rampart is willing to risk lawsuits over. Recover documentation and physical samples to support. ROE. Discretion recommended.
Get in, get the evidence, get out. Pretty tame as fixer contracts go.
Albion encourages all illegal to turn themselves in to the proper authorities. Or surrender.
Nobody's home. Why would they leave the lab unguarded?
Right. No. Oh my god, look.
What the hell was that? Gotta make this quick. Need to find a security hub. Might be a way to unlock that door in there.
Unfortunately, our surveillance team found out that Rampart is mostly interested in a piece of technology being developed by our Deep Labs division. Something called the Broker Bridge. The whole acquisition is just a ploy to get it.
So Rampart's after something called the Broker Bridge. Whole acquisition attempt was just his way to get it. I should keep going. The door might be unlocked now.
What was that sound? It's not too late to give up!
What could this be? Client will want some photos. None of this is legal. Not that it matters. Client wants the fruit. They don't care if the tree's poison.
Stand down! Stand down!
Don't like the sound of that. Should keep moving.
What was that? You...
Electric burns, random though. Some kind of taser weapon, but not a gun. I'm definitely not the only one here. Rampart's Mark II robots don't work without this broker bridge, and he's already sold 1 million units. So, he needs the gadget or he's screwed. If I can get my hands on a prototype, then I'm done here. Locked. Should see if there's a closed circuit box around here. If I hack it or take it out, should let me through.
Control, what's the status report?
Looks like Thomas Rampart never had an original idea in his life. Even stole his billion-dollar robot design from some basement inventor.
Intruder alert! Intruder!
This is going south fast. Need to get evidence and get out. Locked. Might as well search these terminals while I'm stuck in here. Smart. Brokatech's corporate spies cloned Rampart's webcam feed. What's the most recent recording?
Yes, thank you. I understand. You're saying that Brokatech will agree to a merger as long as I step down as CEO.
That's right, but right now...
Well, the terms, are they favorable?
Enough, the board has to listen. Look, Thomas...
So I'm fucked. If I don't step down, I don't get the broker bridge and I'm jailed for fraud. And if I do, they probably throw me under the bus anyways. And then all this is a waste of time.
Stop talking. Thomas! I've been trying to tell you, we believe our networks have been penetrated. They're probably watching right now.
Shit!
So that's Thomas Rampart. Man-child with a private army. Dangerous combination.
Broker bridge chamber unsealed. Please ensure your identification is visible at all times.
Broker bridge chamber. Sounds like that's where I need to go. Shit. Okay. So this other intruder can either cause remote equipment malfunctions, or they're invisible. This must be where they make this broker bridge. Might as well get some photos of this, too. That'll do it. Now I just gotta grab this thing and get out of here. Then I guess I oughta look up Jax.
Easy, easy. Hey, I know you.
Give me that.
This, no.
3.
I need it for a thing.
2.
Okay, I guess we're doing this.
What the hell?
Man, you are spry for an old guy.
Just drop the device and you can go.
No, I told you I need it.
This isn't personal. Just stop.
Speak for yourself. You stop.
Not gonna happen.
Why do you want this thing so bad?
It's just a job.
A job? Just slack off for a day like a normal person.
You're starting to get on my nerves.
Yeah. yeah, I get that a lot.
Nice try, pal, but you're out of runway. Open the door.
No thanks.
You're from that DedSec group in San Francisco, aren't you?
You mean the one that busted you out of a cage guarded by sweaty Eastern European gangsters?
I seem to remember that was mostly your friend. But now you're alone. This isn't a DedSec op, is it?
Yeah, well, I grew out of DedSec ops a long time ago.
Suspect in custody. my people dug this out of your chest. If it was 1 inch in any other direction, we wouldn't be talking. I read the files you downloaded from Brokatech. The ones about me. They're all technically true, yeah, but I feel like they didn't quite give you the full story. This is the Mark I. Simple AI, good for simple things. The Mark II will be controlled by the thoughts of a human pilot. Military, police, it'll all be transformed overnight. But one day, these will permanently hold the human mind. No more death. No more limitations. We'll be able to live on Mars like it was Maui. And for all this, all I need is that little device stolen by your partner. The one in the stupid mask?
I don't know that guy.
Silence was a better strategy than lying there, Mr. Pierce.
Are you done? Look, I don't know that guy. I can find him. I'm good at that. You just have to let me go.
I just don't think I can trust you without some kind of insurance. Perhaps your nephew, Jackson? Hmm? He lives in London, doesn't he?
I offered you a good deal. Take it.
Yeah, look, I want to believe you, I really do. But I just can't. Not yet. No, I'll return once my little helper here has made you a bit more trustworthy. Hmm?
Still listening. Wait. Look, I've been here before. I know how this goes. If I go after you, you go after Jax. And even if I win, then your people go after my people. And on, and on, and on, and on. And I don't have much of that left in me.
That's not good. Better get him out of there.
I don't know Wrench, but I can help you find him. Something tells me that was a Rampart. Should get my stuff and get out of here. Shit, robots. Definitely not equipped to fight them. won't get far without my gear. Better find it. A drone designed for recon and materiel recovery. Might come in handy.
Oh, thank the fake baby Jesus it worked. So, you didn't mean all that about hunting me down and stuff, right? Very cool.
Not even close. You almost killed me.
It was a stun bomb. How does one teeny little stun bomb almost kill Aiden fucking Pierce?
Piece of that little stun bomb wound up lodged in my chest.
Oh, yeah, no, that's not what that's supposed to do. Look, I gotta go, but try to remember that I was the one who saved you from the torture bot, okay? That's worth something, right?
Wait, where are you?
Nice try.
Let's get to work. Get going.
Target right overheating.
That should do it. Locked. Maybe I can use the drone to find the terminal and unlock it. All right, let's go. Well, I don't like this.
Are we recording? Right. Continuing the deposition of Mr. Thomas Rampart in the case of Russian Central Bank versus Rampart Automated Defense Systems. I presume you are ready to continue, Mr. Rampart.
Actually, and I want this on the record, I just got off the phone with your colleagues in Moscow, and we have reached an understanding. This deposition is no longer necessary.
All right. How does this thing work? Bagley?
Find the suspect.
Call Jackson Pierce.
No public listing for Jackson Pierce can be found on the Bloom network.
Pull it from my encrypted files. Voice, print ID, Lena, and drop a pin at his address.
Done. Calling him now. I'm sorry, the Bloom mobile customer you've tried to reach is unavailable, and their voicemail box is full. Please try again later.
Looks like I'm doing this in person.
Hello, Aiden. Do you mind if I call you that? I'm pretty disappointed, I gotta say. I thought I could trust you, but...
You can't trace this device. I made sure of that.
Yes, I'm aware. I'm much more concerned with finding the broker bridge. Where is the wrench?
Like I said, I don't know. But I'll find him. You'll get your gadget.
Even if you did tell me, I couldn't believe you now. Looks like I'll have to pick up your nephew, Jackson. We can swap.
You won't find him. He's smart. Smarter than me.
I've crushed way, way smarter people than you, bud.
Someone's hacked this thing. Find them! Drone, search!
Albion guards are here for your safety. Obey their directives immediately.
Locked. Good sign. If I can get a look inside, maybe I can find out where he is. Warn him.
Dickhead, bro! You fucking asshole!
Jackson's flat. That looks like a miniature tech lab and gym equipment. Pierce family stables, I guess. Fine for protesting. I wish he'd keep his head down, but I get it. That's a hefty scholarship. Always was a smart kid. I can get in through the window. Need to find out where he went.
Jax! Don't move! Look, I don't know who you think I am, but you better get out right now. Holy shit. Uncle Aiden. What the fuck is wrong with you? I have not seen you in what? 15 years? And then you want break into my place?
This isn't how I wanted to do it, Jax. I'm sorry. But you're in danger.
No, not this time. I mean, you gotta send an email or a text, something. That is how you do this.
Jax, I can't. I'm sorry, but I... Hey?
You've been out for 12 hours, Aiden. I don't think they're coming.
Jax, you have to trust me. There are people looking for you. They are serious.
I'll be fine. Trust me, after everything with, you? Well, I made sure we knew how to handle ourselves.
Okay. Hey, can you leave a channel open at least? Anything happens, I'll be here in 3 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, fine, I'll leave a channel open. But you gotta go. That box is for you. Mom brought it over the last time, and, I don't know why. But it's your shit.
Jax.